Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube barber. This video today is actually going to be barber related, and this is what it is. So it's a package that I received off Stylecraft. Big shout out to those for sending me this and all the products that they send me. We're going to open this up, have a look inside. First things first is that we've got some pamphlets in there and it's telling me what's inside. There is a Uno 2.0 foil shaver,
also some no knuckle brushes,
and also a USB charging stand for the Uno. So let's put those aside. We'll start off, look at inside the box, how it came. Nice presentation there with all the paper and everything that makes it look really nice. I'm just going to pop this down.
These are no knuckle brushes.
There's a medium and a large. I'll take those out so we can have a look at the size differences on those. They all come with natural bristles as well, so they're really soft. I absolutely love my previous fade brush. I'm going to show you it because this is how much I love it. Look at the fucking state of that. That is a brush that has had some battering, but I still love it. I do have other ones as well. This is just one that I tend to clean all my clippers down with once I've finished. I know I will love these as well.
These are the no knuckle brushes.
All natural bristles on there. Really nice and soft. Yeah, lovely. Absolutely lovely. These are the brushes. Really nice. You can see the size difference. Two different sizes. The next thing is the Stylecraft USB-C charging dock. So we'll open this up. This is a little USB charging stand. Oh, I've got to say as well, that I don't really know what I thought I was going to be getting there, but it's nice and weighty. I'm even going to weigh that at the end so you can see how much it weighs. It's not cheap shitty plastic, it is like a metal base. Now this is designed to go with this, the Uno 2.0. So I'm going to open this up as well. This is the Uno. Oh yes, I like that. Do like that. It's a matte finish this time. I will get the other one as well. But this is the other Uno. The same size. Say this one, the new one, is a little bit heavier. Do you know, they just never get it wrong really, do they? Look, it's got like a gunmetal grey finish to this one and a gold, and I'm not a big fan of gold if I have to be totally honest, but do you know, these are, every barber needs one. They're so good. Do you know, they're easy to get in when you've got little bits round here, or you just fucking want to do cheeks and that. They're such a good little tool to have. Even ears, you get in, you're finishing an haircut, all the little details. Just have a little trim whip trimmer and get your little Uno out. Oh, straight into here, no messing about.
This one does have the USB-C port,
whereas this one has just the normal charging. This has the USB-C, and like I said, we've got our little charging dock. Just sits on top of it like that. Gango, look at that. Love it, absolutely love it. Keeps your workspace tidy. Again, just pop it off. It does have the same motor on there as the previous Uno. But yeah, they're both the Unos. I absolutely love these little shavers. That one, the light doesn't turn on when you've got it on for some reason. That's all this little unboxing is. I will go through now just a few specifications on the new Uno, and I'll actually compare it to the old one side by side. So this is the old one, this is the new one. They both have the 9000 RPM. They both have a forged blade and they also have a crunchy cutting blade, USB rechargeable. This one's USB-C rechargeable, which everyone nowadays, USB-C is the way forward, super fast charging. It has the lithium ion battery, 130 minutes on the new one, 120 minutes on the old one. Gold titanium foils, hypoallergenic blades, so they're really nice, soft and gentle. Compact design, easy just to slot inside your pocket, and they both have the protective caps on. They're both really nice, really nice little foil shavers. Every barber should get one. Such a great little tool to have. Your charging dock as well. Get hold of one of those if you just want to keep your station tidy, and your brushes. I've been Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. If you like this video, stick a thumbs up. Get down in comments down below. If you want to subscribe to me. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe to me. Have a good one, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.